again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So probably just going to be a quick one today. So I've got a little pink parcel that's turned up. This is from Vettsy, and they have kindly sent me over some of their new gel polishes to try. Hello there. So this is all the social media platforms they are on: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, and that is their website. I've got a discount code for Vettsy. It will be in my description box with a link to the website. So yeah, this is just a couple of their gel polishes we're going to take a little look at. Right, so we've got 4. Oh, I like this packaging. This is nice. It's all textured. I do love good packaging. So there's the ingredients if anyone wants to have a look. There you go. So I'm going to give them a quick swatch today, and I might just have a little play, do something with them, as it is only 4. So, oh, I like these bottles. Ingredients on the bottles as well, I like to see that. So the bottles are kind of matte. Right, so we've got Paradise, and it's on the lid as well. We have got Maldives. These look nice. Alphabet. And lastly, we've got Starfruit. Ooh, this looks nice. So these look nice. Oh, they look cute. Right, quick swatch so I can see the colours in front of me. And then, yeah, I might have a little play with them. Let's have a look at this. Oh, this is a luscious, luscious red. Bright red. I do like these bottles. These are nice. These are great for storage as well. If you've got them in a drawer, you can see the colours. If you've got them on a shelf up high, you can see the colours. I love that. That's good. Right, let's get swatching. Reds can be funny. Let's have a look. Oh, look at this brush. Look at this brush. Let me show you this brush. This feels so nice. Look at this brush. That is going to slot perfect into that corner of my cuticle. Look at that. This brush is nice, and it's so soft. Oh, I like that. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is a nice red. This brush is so soft, and it just feels premium. That is a nice brush. And that gel, 1 coat, that is super, super, super pigmented. But this brush, honestly, I've never felt anything like it. It is just super soft. You can hardly feel that the brush is touching the rim of the bottle. That is a very, very nice brush. I do like that a lot. Right, Maldives. These are nice, guys. Oh my gosh, look how that just covers. These are thin coats as well. The coverage is fantastic. Wow. I do like these brushes. Beautiful. Right, then we've got Alphabet. I'm excited for this one. So this is a nice, ooh, it's a nude pink. Yeah, it's a nude pink with a slight peachy tone. This is a little bit sheer than the first 2 I just did, but it's still super nice. I like that colour. Yeah, I do like that colour. Very, very nice. Nudie pink with a peachy tone. Yeah, that's a nice colour. I like that. Right, and lastly we have got Starfruit. Ooh, this is a neon. So sorry guys, I had to mute it. My dog was barking. Yeah, this is one of them neons. It's not quite a yellow. It's not quite a green. Love that. Oh wow, what a nice colour. Bright, bright neon. Greeny yellow. Wow, love it. Right, I'm just going to top coat these quickly. And then might do a little something with them. Right guys, that is them all swatched. I love the brushes on these bottles. By far, the nicest brushes I've ever used in a gel polish. I've never felt a brush just so soft and smooth. Absolutely fantastic brushes. I love them. And for a red as well, reds can be a bit funny, can't they? Yeah, amazing quality little gels. I'm well impressed with them. And I love the bottles. 10ml. Yeah, really happy with them. So, shall we have a quick play, see what I can come up with? I'm thinking this colour, something wacky and fun and silly. Right, let me get set up. Right guys, so I've switched to voiceover. I've pulled out this solid gel polish, number 66. It's called Lust. This is from Vettsy as well. Looks quite dark in the pot, but on that swatch stick, it's actually a really nice nude. And yes, I did go with this colour, Starfruit. I love it. Dying to use that. So I'm going to stick a little bit on my palette. And I had a bit of not a boo-boo, but I wanted the pointer finger, this finger, nail, and the pinky to be a French tip. With this colour, I should have done the nail bed first. I don't know why I did it in this order. I made it so difficult for myself. So I'm just painting a smile line, quite a deep smile line, and I'm going to paint the free edge in this colour. You could, to make it even easier on yourself, just paint the whole nail in the nude and then do this part. But I'm always scared of the nail getting bulky and losing a little bit of that shape. So I try and do the least amount of layers as possible. That's why I do it this way. But yeah, I should have done the nail bed first. I made it really difficult because these solid gel polishes, they're used for full cover. They're not really for nail art and using with a detailer brush. Yeah, they're used for full cover. So I really struggled with these nail beds. I did them completely back to front, but it doesn't matter. It just took a little bit longer, that's all. So I'm going to do one coat, and I did give it a second coat off camera because it was a little bit streaky. I love this nude though with neon colours. I think darker nudes, they just look so much better with neon colours, don't they? So I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky. I'm going to keep doing the pinky off camera. So these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so that's both of those nails done now. So I've had to pull, I snapped my brush, cleaning it, I completely snapped it. So I've pulled out a new brush. This is from Vettsy. It's a really nice brush. It's just a rounded gel brush, but it's so soft. I really enjoyed using it. So to prep my brushes, brand new brushes, I use a bit of base coat on my palette, and I'll just keep running my brush through it like that. Completely soak my brush in the base coat, and then just wipe all that excess off, just like that. And now I'm going to use this solid gel polish like it's supposed to be used, and I'm going to completely cover both of these middle nails. So I'm just going to give them 2 thin coats and cure each coat for 30 seconds. Right, so I wanted these nails to be matte, so I'm just wiping off that tacky layer, and I'm just going to start with the middle finger. I wasn't actually sure what I was doing on the rest of these nails. This was one of those sets that I've made up as I've gone along. So I've just matte top coated this middle nail, and I've stuck that in the lamp. Right, and I'm going to do snake print. So I'm just using a little detailer brush, not too thin, didn't need to be a really thin brush. And I'm just doing little kind of notchy lines, I don't know, kind of thick in the middle and slightly thinner towards the edges. I'm going to do this all the way down the nail, and these are long coffin, so these nail tips get thinner towards the tip. So these notches, I am going to make them smaller and smaller towards the tip, and I'm leaving just a little gap. I'm not going across the whole of the nail, I'm leaving a little gap down the side of each nail, and I'll show you why in a minute. So they're just kind of lines, but they're slightly thicker in the middle, and I slightly bring them to a point on the outside. And can you see they've started getting narrower and narrower the closer I get to the tip. And I'm not going to cure these little notchy things. I'm going to leave them completely wet because I wanted them to have that embossed kind of 3D look. So I'm going to be sprinkling them with clear acrylic. So I've not cured that. I've got out some clear acrylic and I'm just going to sprinkle it all into that wet gel, completely cover it, and then leave it just for a second or two to soak in. Tap off all that excess and give it another sprinkle. Leave it to soak in for a second or two, and then I'm going to double cure that just to make sure it's completely cured. And then I'm just going down the sides now and doing these little notches in between the ones I've already done down the middle. I'm just doing, little notches like that down both sides, and I'm going to sprinkle the acrylic into those as well. I love how this snakeskin nail turned out. I've never done snake print like that before. I loved how it turned out. I love that colour as well. Right, so I've just used a dotting tool and done a little dot, and then I'm using the skinniest, teeniest, weeniest brush that I've got and just doing a 4-pointed star. Just pull 4 points coming out of that little dot. I'm going to do a few of these stars on the other nails as well. I think I just showed you doing that one. And then some little dots just to add a little bit of effect. 4-pointed stars, I love adding them to nails. I think they just top a nail design off beautifully, don't they? Right, so I'm going to give all these a matte top coat now. Stick a little bit of bling on. Wait and see this little snake charm I've got, guys. He's so cute. Look at this little guy. Isn't he cute? So he's got like light green gems. Luckily I've got some there, and he's got black gems for his eyes, so I'm going to use a mixture of the green rhinestones and the black rhinestones. So I'm just putting a bit of glue on the back of this snake. Obviously I'm not going to put him in the bin with these tips. I'm going to be taking him straight back off, but if these were on your natural nails you'd have to secure him a lot better than that. I'm just going to add some rhinestones now, guys, to these outside nails, and that'll be then finished. There we go, guys, that is then finished. I love them. I just love how bright and bold they are. I love the little snake. Look at them green rhinestones sparkling. I think they were perfect for this design. I really, really like them. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, I've got a discount code for Vettsy. Everything will be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. It's completely free. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.